Hey guys, today we are in Skoda Octavia MK4 and I'm going to check if the standard Volkswagen Audi Skoda procedure for the wiper service mode will work over here. So right now the ignition, I believe, is on. I'm going to turn it off, and once the ignition is off, I'm going to press the wiper stalk, and wipers are going all the way up to the service position. So right now you can fold those wiper arms, you can replace the wiper blades. It's easier to remove snow and ice from the windscreen if you park your car with the wipers in this position, and you can reach both of them from one side. You don't have to lean over the vehicle. And when you are done, just turn on the ignition, press the wiper stalk, and wipers should go back to normal operation mode. Will they? Okay, trunk needs to be closed. And that's pretty much it today in this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you like this, and subscribe for future ones.